Hello viewers, here is a Uniden 900 megahertz cordless telephone, model EXAI7980, made in China. This does have a base speakerphone and a digital or digitan answering system. The antenna has broken. And unfortunately, I think it's broken in such a way that I will not be able to repair it, because you can see on here it's not really a clean break, but on here it is a clean break. So I'm not sure. Maybe I can cut it and then fix it, because I think actually, you know what, there's enough extra room in there. I need to be able to fix it. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, it's not in terrible condition. There's something weird going on with the screen. You can see there's like, that may be the adhesive kind of seeping out of there, I don't know. And there's some junk around the buttons, which is pretty typical. I don't know what's going on with this battery cover. That's in pretty shoddy condition. It's weird. It's like there was a sticker on there at some point and then it was poorly removed. But it's not sticky at all. Well, maybe a little bit sticky. Maybe some goof off or whatever, goo gone, whatever the better cleaner is, we'll take that off. So that's the handset. The base is okay. Some wear in the cradle. Looks like this was used in a wall mount situation. I'm going to switch it to desk. And it did come with the wall mount bracket, so there's further evidence that it was used wall mount. These are actually getting kind of hard to find. I don't know why this was not designed such that the wall... Excuse me, I'm speaking. I don't understand why Uniden didn't just put the mounting into the phone itself. Having this extra bracket is kind of ridiculous and kind of wasteful in my opinion, but that's what they did. As these all do, we have the physical controls for the ringer, tone pulse, phone line input, DC input, and reset, which I've never had to use on one of these. We also have physical buttons for the recording time and the ring time. For the purpose of the video, we're going to switch it to 2. The writing on this phone, the branding, is like a greenish color. It's like that on the handset as well. It's kind of unique. Okay, let's plug in the phone line. And let's go ahead and ring this up. Some glare on the screen. We'll try to get rid of that. Actually, you know what I can do? I have a little piece of equipment here that I should remember to use more often. Auto talk is not on, apparently. Hello? Goose. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that seems like it's working. Let's check the numbers. Okay, that's working. We'll do a flash. And you'll see that green light will go away when we flash. Okay, so that's working correctly. It's one entry. Oh, jeez. Get that off. Okay. And I'll delete that out of there. Okay, close out. Okay. Seems like all the buttons work. See if we have any messages. Nope.
You have no messages.
No messages.
Hello. No one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
We'll record a new greeting here. Hello, you've reached After Hours, the hardware store. Leave a message or I'm not calling you back and you'll never be allowed at the store again.
Hello, you've reached After Hours, the hardware store. Leave a message or I'm not calling you back and you'll never be allowed at the store again.
Okay, let's do a recording. Recording 1, 2, 3.
Eight, 0.
Which is the default.
Friday, 5:22 p.m. Friday, 5:23 p.m.
Okay, that's not the time, but that's fine. Okay, let's call the testing answering machine. Okay, now we're going to call from the speakerphone.
Two new messages and 12 old messages. Message 1.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a testing message from the Uniden 900 megahertz analog cordless phone. LED lights are garbage. All new appliances are garbage. I'm walking across the room and there's stupid LED lights in here and they're flicking. LED lights are junk. Over and out.
Message 2.
Speakerphone, 789.
End of messages.
Okay, that does appear to be working just fine. Let's make an outside call now. We'll call the time and temperature cold line.
Good evening. Upload for mobile and from anywhere you get a signal. People, I didn't get it for FDI. Today is Saturday, May 23rd. The United Bank time, 8:35. Current temperature.
Some showers and isolated thunderstorms today, highs mid-60s. Showers diminishing overnight, lows in the upper 40s. Sunday mostly cloudy with a high in the mid-60s.
Okay, that's working fine. Now I will call and record a message into this telephone. Whoops. Jeez. I need to turn down the call screening.
Hello, you've reached After Hours, the hardware store. Leave a message or I'm not calling you back and you'll never be allowed at the store again.
Hello. I'm looking for some screwdrivers that aren't made in China. Call me at 555-6789. You're a goose. Cheese stinks.
You have 2 new messages. Recording 123. Friday, 5:22 p.m. Hello. I'm looking for some screwdrivers that aren't made in China. Call me at 555-6789. You're a goose. Cheese stinks. Friday, 5:20.
Okay, it looks like everything is working on here. This telephone is ready to be cleaned.